What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So this month is the seventh. Last month was the seventh month of me in my real estate journey, of which is fourth month in this new agency. So I'm going to give you a short update of revenue and expenses. Revenue here being two sources. One is real estate services, which is purely commission. Second is alternative. So last month I closed my first deal, which is a rental of 3,000 ringgit. I'm going to give you the gross figure. The gross figure meaning the money I bring into agency, not the net. Okay. So the other alternatives is like affiliates. Yeah, Shopee affiliates making a few hundred. Those are normal. And then there's YouTube, a few hundreds here and there. But YouTube is a bit different. The payout is not here yet. So the one that is biggest last month, right? When I calculated the expenses, which is start from 2 months ago to 3 months ago, 3 months ago. You can see here this bunch of letters. These are bills. Okay. So I went to 2 hospitals since August right up till now. Now I'm still going for follow-up. Okay. So hospitals for my leg actually. So we found out the cause, but the cause unfortunately I can't go into details in this video. It's just that it cost me a lot of money here. Okay, private hospital. There's no insurance, so I paid myself. Total up till now, from August till now, is about 7,000 already. So this 7,000, I put it to my credit card and charge it to turn it into the installment. So I've actually met my leader and actually talked to him about this. It's really, it's painful, so it's hard for me to move, but now it's getting better, okay, with the treatment and all. And I still need to have continuous treatment. So I spoke to him about this, and I was telling him that my career need to switch up. Maybe real estate is not for me because this is my health reasons. So she gave me some suggestions on how to continue, which I will share in another video, or maybe here because she asked me, so what are you gonna do? Like, what are you gonna do if, let's just say, you got these bills here piling up? It's not just these bills, they got previous bills also piling up already. So I said, maybe I just go back to a 9 to 5. Then he asked, okay, so if you go back to a 9 to 5 now, what do you expect to? What can you do when you're 9 to 5? And how much can you expect? I said about 3,000 plus. 3,000 plus okay. At least if you can focus at work, let's just say 9 to 5. So you need to leave at 8 a.m. Then you come back at 6 p.m. That's about 10 hours a day. So this 10 hours a day, right? Why not you just focus on real estate, and you can even make 3,000 a week. One rental 3,000, you make 3,000 a week. 1 month 12,000. Why not? So why not we look into your business model and see what can do? So we look into the business model and what I need to do, which I will cover in another video on another playlist, because I think that whatever she shared is something more suitable to cover on the real estate property agents podcast playlist. Okay, so I'll share there, and we talk also about how to strategize the business, which I also will share. And so that's how I actually decided to actually move forward. But there will be revamps and change up here and there. Okay, also I will also share about how my first deal came in another video, and what it means from the future of real estate for those, especially for those who are new. That's all for me. Actually, this video I just want to make a short update from today onwards, which other topics that is more relevant, I find that it's more relevant to that set of audience, I will do another video and put it in that playlist so that you all won't go confused, because I can say something A here, and then you all might miss because you're all just interested in, let's just say example, how to be a property agent, or how to as a landlord, how to invest better. You might be interested in those, but I said it out here, so you might miss it. So let's just put at that playlist, okay? So this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.